Welcome to my channel Class Winners Books.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel Classwinner Books. Now we are discussing about case study for Unit-3 Measure for Lifestyle Disease in Physical Education Class 12. Case study 1. Ria, a 15-year-old, leads a sedentary lifestyle with poor eating habit and no physical activity. She is diagnosed as obese and her doctor recommends yoga and better diet. Question 1 based on case study. Which yoga asana is recommended for reducing obesity? Options are Tadasana, Dhanurasana, Vajrasana, Shavasana. And right answer is Dhanurasana. Question 2. Which of the following is a major cause of obesity? Options are regular exercise, balanced diet, sedentary lifestyle, deep breathing. And right answer is sedentary lifestyle. Question 3. Which pranayam is beneficial for obesity management? Options are Anulom Vilom, Bhastrika, Kapalbhati, Nadi Shodhanam. Right answer is Kapalbhati. Question 4. What is common health risk due to obesity? Options are asthma, hair fall, hypertension, improved memory. Right answer is hypertension. Case study 2. Anil, a 45-year-old, is managing type 2 diabetes. He follows medication, walks daily, and practices yoga under supervision. Question 2. What is a major cause of diabetes? Low sugar intake, overproduction of insulin, improper insulin use, drinking water. And right answer is improper insulin use. Question 3. Which pranayam help regulate blood sugar? Options are Brahmari, Kapalbhati, Shitali, Ujjayi. And right answer is Kapalbhati. Question 4. What should a diabetic avoid? Options are yoga, processed sugar, morning walk, home cooked food. And right answer is processed sugar. Case study 3. Maya, a school teacher, is under high stress and high blood pressure. Her doctor prescribes lifestyle changes including yoga. Question 1 based on case study. Which yoga practice is most beneficial for high blood pressure? Options are Sirasana, Savasana, Bhujangasana, Naukasana, and right answer is Savasana. Question 2. Which is a major cause of hypertension? Options are regular breathing, stress, yoga, water intake, and right answer is stress. Question 3. What should hypertensive people avoid? Options are relaxation technique, Bhastrika pranayam, meditation, walking. And right answer is Bhastrika pranayam. Question 4. Which of the following helps in calming the mind? Options are Brahmari, running, jumping, stretching, and right answer is Brahmari. Case study 4. Kabir suffers from asthma and finds it hard to breathe during physical exertion. His doctor includes yogic breathing in his daily routine. Question based on case study. Which pranayam is most useful for asthma? Options are Anulom Vilom, Bhastrika, Surya Bhedan, Chandra Bhedan, and right answer is Anulom Vilom. Question 2. Which asana supports lung expansion? Options are Bhujangasana, Tadasana, Padmasana, Vajrasana, and right answer is Bhujangasana. Question 3. Which food habit worsen asthma? Options are fresh foods, cold drink and ice creams, warm water, home cooked vegetable, and right answer is cold drink and ice cream. Question 4. What is key trigger for asthma attacks? Options are regular walking, stress and allergens, yoga, warm tea, and right answer is stress and allergens. Case study 5. Shalini joins a yoga camp to lose weight. She practices Surya Namaskar and Kapalbhati daily. Question based on case study. What is the best time to do Surya Namaskar? Options are afternoon, after meals, early morning, before sleeping, and right answer is early morning. Question 2. What type of yoga helps burn calories faster? Options are relaxation yoga, Ashtang yoga, Shavasana, Brahmari. Right answer is Ashtang yoga. Question 3. How many rounds of Surya Namaskar are ideal for weight loss? Options are 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 10 to 12, 15 to 20. And right answer is 10 to 12. Question 4. Which practice must follow physical asana? Options are silent prayer, pranayam and relaxation, running, aerobics. And right answer is pranayam and relaxation.
Case Study 6. Vikram's family history of diabetes. Vikram, aged 16, has a family history of diabetes. His parents have advised him to adopt healthy food habits, regular yoga, and moderate exercise to avoid the onset of diabetes in future. Case Study 7, Ramesh's struggle with asthma. Ramesh, 14, has mild asthma. He is advised by his yoga instructor to do breathing exercises to improve lung function and control his asthma attacks. Case Study 8, Seema's high blood pressure diagnosis. Seema, a 48-year-old working woman, was diagnosed with hypertension. She avoids salt, practices yoga daily, and follows Bhramari and Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Case Study 9, Tanuja's pre-diabetic symptoms. Tanuja, a college student, shows symptoms like frequent urination and fatigue. Her doctor labels her as pre-diabetic and suggests daily yoga and diet control. Case Study 10 Arjun's Obesity Recovery Plan. Arjun, an overweight teenager, joins a wellness program. He practices yoga postures like Pavan Muktasana and Bhujangasana and eats a fiber-rich diet.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Classwinner Books.